obviously, this girl sitting in front of me, you can see something. And when she has to call me, she's like, Didi, Didi, Didi. That annoys me so much. I hate it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a special purpose and with a special person. So you will get to know in a while. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll get notified. Are you ready to see who that person is? So here she is, guys. Hello everyone. As I told you, this video is for the special purpose. So it's her birthday today, and that's why 2 days back I asked questions. I didn't ask questions. I asked you all to ask questions related to us. So a lot of you guys replied, and if you have noted down the questions, she don't know the question, okay? So she'll be knowing now. So we'll get into this, okay? Yes. So first question is, who is the most annoying one?
Obviously, this question doesn't need any answer.
She is the most
annoying one.
She is the most annoying one. She is the most annoying one. Period.
Okay, I am the most annoying one.
Who is more talented?
I think we both of us are talented in our own ways. It's just about how we have taken our interest forward. Yeah.
How come you both are so beautiful?
You will ask this question. Are you beautiful?
Are you beautiful?
Obviously.
No.
I think everyone is beautiful in their own way. It's how you carry yourself. But yes, whoever has asked this question, thank you so much for the compliment.
So the next question is, are you all the same? Like, do you both have the same taste?
Yeah.
Like
Yes,
most of the things.
we have similar taste in most of the things we do. If it comes to food, music, yes, we listen to music
Same
and series, same kind of genre. When it comes to fashion sense and dressing sense, I think she does it, better than me. And she,
Yeah, the
I am
taste
more
is different.
Yes, and it's also because of the profession that I wear most of Indian clothing, and she is more into Western. Yeah.
Do people ask you both if you are twins?
Yeah,
Every time.
many of them, and always this happens always that whenever I post her photos or videos on any social media, 90% of them reply me not for complimenting. They ask me whether you both are twins, अपने same कैसे दिखते हो. But the truth is that the age difference between us is 6 years. Yeah, so it's a very
She's
huge
6
difference.
years elder than me.
So we are not twins.
Definitely not. One like and dislike. Like, you have to tell me one thing which you like and dislike about.
Okay. So one thing that I like about you is you follow your passion very nicely. You're very focused about what you want in life. And the thing that I dislike about you is, yes, whenever she has to call me, and if I'm busy with my mobile or I'm doing something, and when she has to call me, she's like, Didi, that annoys me so much. I hate it.
Okay, so my turn. So one thing that I like about her is that she's very hardworking. Like, she's very, very hardworking, and she is very good at studying. Like, रात भर भी वो पढ़ाई करती है.
बस dislike. Let's come on to the dislike.
Yeah. And the one thing that I dislike about her is that whenever I go to her to say something, she is on her phone, and then she's like, she pretends that she's listening, but she is not. In her mind, she's thinking something else.
I am focused. I concentrate on what I'm doing.
हाँ but तू देख तो सामने कौन आया है, क्या बोल रहा है, सिर्फ हाँ 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 कर रही है. So that annoys me the most and I dislike it. So the next question is, do you both fight?
No,
No, not really.
we argue. We argue if we have any opinion differences or we have to prove some of our points. But yeah, that lasts for hardly 30 minutes. After that we are back to square one.
Yeah.
And इसकी वजह से my parents say that both are pressure.
क्या करें? So next is, who takes longer to get ready?
Obviously, this girl sitting in front of you, you can see.
No, not that long. Like half an hour.
But she takes more time. The question is answered.
Who is good in academics? Obviously her. She is good in academics. Like
It's not
smarter
like
than
she
her.
no. It's not like she's not good in academics. It's just that she doesn't like to sit for long hours with the books. She can't
Yeah.
do that. She's very lazy.
I'm not
She's
lazy.
good in academics.
Yeah.
She's good.
Describe your sister in 3 words. 3 words.
3 words. The first word that comes to my mind is rude. She's very rude.
Why?
She is. You are. She's rude. And second word, introvert. It takes a hell lot of time for her to mix up with people. If you all know her, it is always the person standing in front of her who has to approach and initiate the talk. But later on, when she becomes a good friend of yours, she will start opening up. But she's not a kind of person who will tell everything about her to you. So it's like it needs many years of friendship. Only then she will trust you and tell everything.
That's right, guys. So, अच्छा मेरे को भी बोलना है. नहीं, 2 ही हुआ तेरा. Third one.
Third word. I said rude, introvert, badass.
Badass. I'm not badass.
Yes, you are. It's your turn now. Describe me in 3 words.
Yeah. So for the first word, I think that you are very fragile. Fragile, like very sensitive. Very sensitive.
Sensitive in what sense? You should understand.
Like अगर सिर दर्द भी हो जाता है तो पूरे घर को सिर पे डाल लेती है. Like रोने लग जाती है कि मुझे ये लग गया, ये वो. थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच भी आ जाए तो
it's not fake. It's not fake. It does give me that much pain.
So you are sensitive, na?
Yeah,
That's what
I am
telling.
sensitive.
So for the second word, I think hardworking. Yeah, I pretty much explained you why she's hardworking. So hardworking. And third, I'll call you my best friend.
Oh my god.
Because I share everything with her, and
Same goes for me.
yeah, share everything and ask for advices. Anything, like कुछ भी होता है तो I do it.
If the question was describe your sister in 4 words, 4th would be there.
Why fourth? Why not first?
Because I wanted to tell them how rude, introvert, and badass. Next question, please.
So one thing you can do which your sister can't.
One thing you can do which your sister can.
Cooking.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like cooking.
She's lazy.
Shut the fuck
She's
up.
lazy.
I know. I don't like cooking. I don't know why, but I don't like cooking.
Yes. So the answer is cooking.
One thing that I can do and she can't do is shopping.
I'm very bad
Yeah,
at
and
choosing
she
clothes.
is very bad at bargaining also. अगर भैया बोला करके इतने का है वो इतने का ही लेके आएगी. She won't bargain. So yeah, she's very bad at that.
Okay.
And what do you guys like doing together?
Doing together many things.
Everything.
If you go to talk about last few months, we have been cooking and watching a lot of series and movies together. It's like she's the one who will watch the series or movies first, and then she'll recommend it to me for me to watch. and the time when I start it, she'll come and sit next to me and she'll watch it again. So it's the thing that we do it repeatedly watching a movie or series together. And cooking, yes, even if she doesn't like cooking, it was the time when we tried new recipes and we did it together. There are many things that we like doing together, especially in our holidays or vacation. We go to our native place, and that's the time when we, you know, like to go together. It's never it's never happened that I go alone or she go alone and we have enjoyed. It's not like that. That's the place where we enjoy a lot. We enjoy
and it's mandatory that we both are together.
Yes, and we click a lot of videos and pictures when we are together. So many things we like doing together.
Okay. So yeah, these were the questions, and we are done with the questions.
Thanks, eh? For those who have asked questions, I think I have answered them all, and we tried to be as honest as we could.
Yeah.
And yes, जो भी वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, प्लीज उसके सारे वीडियोस देखो इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब पे, एंड प्लीज शेयर, कमेंट, लाइक, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.
यस, मेरा तो सुनते नहीं हो, अभी इसका तो सुन लो.
ठीक है.
So this was it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we tried to answer all your questions honestly. Did you like the questions?
Yes, pretty much.
Okay, so until I post my next video, bye bye.
Bye.
I love it. Yes, I tried that. I think this is the perfect hairstyle.
What?
Yeah.
क्या बोलूं? बोल अभी तो बोल.
2 days back, 2 days back, 2 days back.